Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your OneDrive account, a super useful skill if you manage multiple cloud storage accounts, or just want to keep your work and personal files neatly separated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch between different OneDrive accounts quickly and securely. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up OneDrive. If you're using your web browser, just head to OneDrive Live and sign in as you normally would. If you're on a desktop app, open that from your applications list. Now, this might sound basic, but it's such an important step because being on the OneDrive homepage means you're in the right place to access your account's settings. Next, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Usually it's a little circle with either your photo or initials inside. Click on this profile icon. It's easy to overlook, but think of your profile icon as the key to all your Microsoft accounts. Clicking it reveals which account you're currently using, and often any other accounts you've added to the same browser or device. This is the main control point for switching between accounts and managing your logged-in sessions. After you click that icon, you'll see a list of OneDrive accounts if you've previously signed in with more than one. This is where things start to happen. Go ahead and select the other OneDrive account you want to use. If you only see your current account, don't worry, you can add another account right there if needed. But for most people, both personal and work accounts show up here. Just click on the account you want to switch to here, where Microsoft makes things really seamless. As soon as you click on the other account, OneDrive instantly switches. There's no delay, no setup all over again. Your files, folders, and sharing settings will all load up for the new account. If you think of it like flipping a light switch, you're not resetting the room, you're just lighting up a different part. This makes juggling multiple accounts much less of a headache, especially if you regularly switch for work or school. However, there's one extra step the first time you access a new account on a new device or browser. If it's your first time switching to an account here, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. This is a solid security feature, so don't be alarmed. You'll usually be asked to scan a QR code using your phone. Just open the camera app or your authenticator app, point it at the QR code on your screen, and follow any prompts that pop up. This only takes a few moments, and it helps keep all your data safe from unauthorized access. If you hit a snag during this step, take a breath and double-check your scanning with the right app. Sometimes it just needs a second. And just like that, you're inside your other OneDrive account. You can now view and manage the files, share folders, or upload documents just like you would on your usual account. Knowing how to switch quickly like this really comes in handy if you're collaborating with different teams or simply want a clear line between personal and work files. I hope this guide made switching your OneDrive accounts feel easy and approachable. If you found the tutorial helpful, give this video a like, and if you have any trouble or questions, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.